Well, hello, I'm Dr. Simon Breakspear, and I'm excited to join the British Columbia Principals and Vice Principals Association for their 2025 Connecting Leaders Conference. We're going to be gathering together on Friday, the 24th of October in beautiful Whistler. I'm wondering if you've ever thought about whether or not the answer to bringing about positive change in your team within your broader school lies not in doing more but rather in finding a pathway to pursuing less but better. Well, when you come along and join us for the Connecting Leaders Conference, you're going to learn more about my latest research called the Pruning Principle. And I'm going to show you how to apply the power of strategic subtraction to your workload, to your strategic plan, and indeed all sorts of areas that you lead to try to give you a pathway to better through doing less. You can register at the website pcpvpa.org, and I really hope you'll come and join us for this important learning event. We'll see you there.